Hi, this is Bill. So on this activity, I will be demonstrating about approvals in uh, ServiceNow using Flow Designer. So on the last recording that I actually provided, so I showed you how the triggers work, how the actions, and now let us move forward on one of the actions in ServiceNow, which is approval. So it's part of the installed spokes, the ServiceNow core, and ask for approval. So you could also do a search if needed be, right? So let's do that, and it will provide the necessary parameters, right, of an approval workflow, right? So on this one, I will be dragging the incident record, right, from the trigger. So it will populate all the necessary information. So make sure that the table here is basically inheriting or extends from the task table. Otherwise, it will not have this approval action, right? So depending, right? So you could um, implement this approvals. It could be anyone can approve, right? So all users can approve. So let's say all users can approve. So it will be looking for a group, right? So let's do that. So from the right, I'll be dragging all the users assigned to this group will be approving, right? So basically, as you can see, right, on number one, right? So it returns a state, right? Right. So that state basically is it could be true or false or approve or not, right? So let us say that we add a condition, right? So let's make sure this is safe before I move forward, before I lose any data, right? So now it is the first action is done. So let's add a flow logic if, right? So if approved, right? So let us say it's approved, right? So let's take the state there, right? And basically is approved, then it will do this necessary action, right? When you put on then, right? So depending, right? So I'll leave that for you to explore. And another point that I'd like to highlight before closing this recording is the the group members here should be part of the role of an approver, right? So let me show you that before I move forward. So let's go to the documents at servicenow.com. So make sure you are on the right version. So let's say approval. So let's do that. So approval role. So I think it's right here. So let's open the approval role. Otherwise, the out-of-the-box widgets of ServiceNow approval will not work, right? If you're not using the correct approval role. So let us uh, search for that. I don't think this is the one. So let's make sure we're searching correctly. Approval rules, approval role, and there you go. So this is the one. So as we move to that, right? So it will contain, there you go, approver underscore user. Make sure that the persona who you would like to approve will contain the correct role for the widgets to work. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next lesson.